Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grid Snap in Fortnite. First, understand that Grid Snap is a fundamental building mechanic designed to help you place pieces with perfect alignment. It ensures your walls, floors, and ramps connect seamlessly, preventing gaps and structural weaknesses. This precision is vital for creating robust defenses and quick, effective cover during intense engagements. Learning to leverage Grid Snap will significantly enhance your overall building efficiency and strategic gameplay. To enable Grid Snap, begin by accessing your game settings, which you can do from the main menu or while in a match. Once in Settings, look for the Game tab, usually marked with a gear icon. Scroll down until you find the Building section. Here, you will see the Grid Snap option. Make sure this is toggled to on to activate the feature. This simple adjustment will immediately impact your building precision. Grid Snap works by automatically locking your building pieces to the nearest available grid point as you place them. This means you no longer have to manually fine-tune placements, saving you valuable milliseconds in fast-paced combat. Whether you are placing a wall, a floor, or a ramp, the system ensures perfect alignment every single time. This consistency is key for creating strong, predictable structures that offer reliable protection and movement. To truly maximize Grid Snap's benefits, practice is essential. Spend time in creative mode building various structures rapidly, focusing on fluid movements to place multiple pieces in quick succession. Combine this with quick editing techniques to create complex builds efficiently. Grid Snap is invaluable for both defensive structures, like a quick one-by-one, and offensive pushes, ensuring your ramps and walls are always perfectly aligned for maximum advantage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.